everyone, so today we are going to be configuring Windows Server 2008 to support Active Directories and to also allow clients to join that domain on the network that we created in the previous video. Remember, we created the link between servers, so the servers could have speak to the client machines and so on. Right, so what we will do first here now is we will go to Server Manager. 1 second though, machine just freezing a little ever so often. Right, so you go to Server Manager, and in Server Manager we go to Roles. But I already had the Active Directory Server Domain Services installed. But if you have to install it, you will go to Add Roles, and then you go to Server Roles on your left hand side. I think it's the second option. You will look for Active Directories, right? And you will go next and follow the steps and instructions. But as I said, I already have it installed, so I won't be going through these steps again. So what I'll do now is that I'll come out of this, right, and this link here where you see Active Directory Domain and Services, what you do after you went through the previous step, you will click this and right, and there's a next link on top that says that right, so this is the wizard to do the actual installation, but you can go to run and type in DC. It's the same thing. You can go to run, and type in DC promo. That's PROMO. Click on OK, and you will see that they will tell me I already have it open. Yes, they do. I already have it running, so I'll just press OK. I just showing you. Alright, and here now we will go through these necessary steps to get the installation, to get Active Directories fully installed. So we will go to next, and then next again, and create a new domain in a new forest. We'll select that and go to next, and here now you need to type in your domain name. As you can see, is domain name followed by .com. So I will give mine my initials, so ck.com, and then next. Okay, here now in the drop down on top, what I'll do is that I will select the server 2008 and go next. Okay, I will agree to this on yes. Right, I will leave this as the default settings as is and go to next. And here now I'm being prompted to create a password, so I'll do just that. I'll type in the password and then confirm the previous written password. Right, and then next. Well, I don't want to do export any settings, so I'll just go next, and this process will begin. And finish. So this is how we install and run Active Directories. Now it's prompting me to restart, so the server is being restarted, as you can see. Okay, so it's back. So as you can see, the domain name is now appearing at login. So I will log in with the password created, and here you can see we are in. So if we go to start, um, okay, as you can see here, the domain is created. As you can see, khan.com, and the full computer name has now been added with ckhan.com to the end. Alright, so we'll just come out of this. Okay, so we will go back to server manager, and we'll go to roles again, and you will open roles, and you will see the Active Directory servers. So we will open that. Great, and now you will see the domain name. So if you open the domain name, you will see all the objects associated with that domain name. And now if we can open computers, so it's empty because we haven't added any computers to it. And users, these are all the default users that has been automatically added. Right, so now you will come out. I'll minimize this. Okay, so you want to check the network settings and all of your OS, right? To host only adapter, and in promiscuous mode, allow all. Adapter type is the enter, right? So back to the server now. We'll go to network and sharing, and in here we will go to manage network connections. And as you can see, all these are on from the previous videos, right? So here now we will go to manage network connections. We will right click on the local disk and go to properties, look for IP version 4 and go to properties. So here now you can see the IP address assigned to the machine, the server, and the subnet mask for that. So the 192.168.0.1 is the IP address for the server. And under here, as you can see, the 127.0.0.1, that is actually the loopback address for the server, right? So we'll go there, we'll close this. Right, on Windows Vista now we will log in. Okay, and we'll right click on computers when we are logged in. Go to properties, and we are going to change settings. So you're looking for the option change settings, and hit continue. Okay, here now we are going to change workgroup and domain names. So we're going to change. Okay, and we're going to add this machine to the domain. So we hit domain and put in the domain name, which is CK, and then we will go OK, and we'll be prompted to enter the administrator and the password. Right, and then we will go OK. Right, and here you can see we are in the domain and we need to restart so the changes could take effect. So we will restart this computer and I'll be back with you. Right, so we are back. We go to switch user, and here now we are going to type ck /administrator, right? So we are logging on to the CK domain. As you can see, log on to CK, that's the domain, and we will put in the password here, and there you can see a new user has been created. So if you go to computer and properties, you will see here now that the computer is on the domain. So you can see full computer name, and the ck.com is at the end of the computer name and the domain name. So we are on the domain. Right, so we will go back now to the server, and if we go to the server manager and to computer and refresh this computer here, there it is. We are now seeing new Windows Vista computer added to the domain, right? So it's on the computer, in the computers folder on the domain. So we'll do the same thing for Windows XP, but we'll be taking a different approach. Same results, but a different approach. So we will log in, and we will go back to the server, and we'll go to the computer folder, and on the computer, what we do, we will right click and go new computer, right? And we're going to put in the computer name, the one that we created, the computer one was installing and creating it, and we'll go OK. Right, so it's WinXP is my computer name, and as you can see, WinXP or the XP computer has been added to this domain. But what we'll need to do now is go back to Windows XP, and we will go to we will go to Start, right click on my computer and properties. We will go to computer name, we will go change, and we'll add this machine now to the work group. So the same procedure, we'll put CK because that's the name of the domain, and go OK. We'll put in the administrator as the user, and the password, and go OK. And there it is. We have added the machine to the domain, and we need to restart. So there it is. That is how we add clients to a domain. So thanks for watching. This is part 1.